Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show the basic tutorial to make CI bracket. Okay, in this tutorial we will starting from the top. We will starting sketch from the top like this and then like this. Okay, first you must open the NX Siemens. After that, click new. After click new, you give the name and choose the folder. The name is 3.4 CI bracket, and then click enter. After click enter, you can drag on it, click sketch. This is front view. This is front view. You can draw from top. Click sketch like this, or we try can click sketch and then close, select this and OK. After that, you draw like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use the profile command. Click on this point: 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you click on this line and then click vertical. After vertical, you must define the dimension. Okay, or you can drawing multi-sketch at this, and this, and this. Okay, you click on profile command and then click on the point like this, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right click and OK. After that, you click on this line and then click horizontal. After that, you give the dimension. The dimension is 7, 17, 40, 56, and 38. 38, 38, 56, 56, enter, and this 17. Okay, close. And this 17 also. Enter, close, and then from this to this is 70, no, 50. Click this line to this line and define your dimension. 50, enter, close, then this to this is 25. Click repeat dimension, click on this line to this line and then give 25, enter, then close. After that, you give the dimension also. From this to this is 125. Click this repeat dimension, click this line to this line is 125. Enter and then close. The sketch is fully constrained. The sketch is all ready to extrude. After that, you click Finish Sketch and then you click on the geometry comb and then you select the Extrude command and then click this. Okay. You give the height dimension. The height is 75. Enter. Apply and then cancel and then you just the extrude just this line also. Oh, cannot choose this line. Okay, you must cancel it. Repeat the extrude. 1, 2. Okay, can extrude right now. And then you give the dimension. The dimension is the dimension is 25. Okay, 75 minus 15. 75 minus 15. Enter and then apply. Okay, your model is like as that. And then you give the edge, give the radius. The radius is 725. Click edge plane and then choose this edge and you fill this column 25. Enter and then click apply and then cancel. After that, you must give these ribs. Okay, if you're ready, you can make plane on 6. Click datum plane and then click from this, go back, give the 6 and then apply. Cancel and then you choose this sketch and then select this plane. After that, click OK. Okay, no problem like this. And you choose the line. Click from this to this, point to point. Click Finish Sketch. After that, you choose the trimetric or home and then you can click on these ribs. Okay, click, select body. The body already selected because the color is changed to green, but the curve or line is not ready. You must choose this line and then give the thickness of the ribs is 20. Enter. Okay, something problem. Okay, try to repeat again for rib. Enter and then click rib and then don't choose symmetric but you choose the asymmetric and then the body already selected because the color is green and then you select the section for the selecting curve. Select this curve and then give the dimension. The dimension is 20. Okay, click 20 and then apply, and then apply. Okay, the rib is already make it. Going to the view, click the show and hide, select this and close. Going to the render, through setting, just the color. I choose the green. Oh no, I choose the color. I choose this color. Okay, no problem. That's good. Thank you for this tutorial and for your views. Don't forget to like and comment on the column. Then see you to the next video.